Hello everyone, this is Group 7's YouTube video. I'm Ladi and beside me is Madeleine. We're going to be talking about adding floating point numbers. Before we get into it, there's two key terms that you need to know about, which is the mantissa and the exponent. The mantissa is the part of the floating point number which represents the significant digits of that number. On the other hand, the exponent is the number that defines where the decimal point should be placed. From the pictures here, you would see that there's examples of the mantissa and the exponent. Now to begin with the addition, the first thing you need to do is to move the decimal point to the right using the value of the exponent. So as you can see, the example here says that the exponent is 3. So the decimal point on the mantissa should be moved 3 units to the right. And beneath it says the exponent is 1, and so the decimal point should be moved 1 unit to the right. Secondly, make sure the decimal point is aligned with the decimal points on the number line. So the number line has a fixed decimal point which is in between 1 and a half. So align the decimal points on the mantissa with the number line as shown. Then you can begin to add the numbers as you would add binary numbers normally. Once you're done with the addition, you need to convert the number back into the normalized floating point number. To do this, you would have to move the decimal point back between the 0 and the first 1. In this case, the decimal point has been moved 3 spaces back to form the mantissa that's shown here. This means that the exponent would therefore be 3.
Okay, so the first mantissa in this example question is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and the exponent is 0, 1, 0. The second mantissa is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and the exponent is 1, 1, 0. Now, in denary, this number here would be 2, and in denary, this number here would be minus 2. This is because there's a 1 in front of the binary number, which makes it a negative number. So negative 4 plus 2 is equals to 2. Minus 2, sorry, which is y is minus 2. So now we have to move the decimal points based on the value of the exponent. So in this case, the mantissa would then become 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and in this case we'll have to move the decimal point to the left because it's a negative number. So it will become 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And now we've got the two different mantissas that we can now add as if we were adding normal binary. But first we have to make sure the decimal points align on the number line, which is 8, 4, 2, 1, a half, quarter, an eighth, and 16. And the decimal point lies between the 1 and the half. So now to align the decimal points along with the number line, we would have 1, 1, 0, and 0, 0, and we would have 0 here, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now we can add these numbers as if we were adding normal binary. So we've got 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So the new mantissa is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now to finish it off, we have to convert it back to the normalized floating point number. And to do this, we have to move the decimal points back between the first 0 and the 1. So in this case, it would be 1, 2. So this decimal point has moved 2 places back to give us 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And so because it's moved 2 places back, the exponent would be 2, which is 0, 1, 0.